Hello, mga kabis, na naman si Daddy Joe. So, this is episode 4 of our Palawan travel series. Okay, so, mga hindi pa nakapanood ng previous video, please watch previous video. So, this time, dito naman tayo sa Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Okay? So, nature here is also very beautiful, similar to El Nido, pero ibang vibe naman ang meron dito. So, as you can see here, you'll be able to see the Philippine South China Sea. Okay? Alright. And of course, kasama ko ang family ko, and we'll be traveling to different places here at Puerto Princesa. So one of the places that napunta namin is what's called the Buenavista Viewdeck, and then you have to take a almost 2-hour van ride, okay, going to the port from where punta tayo, and we also dropped by the mangrove paddle boat tour. Okay? So very interesting dito. Marami kayong matutunan about why we really need mangroves and why we should protect our nature. Okay? So after the mangrove paddle tour, we went to the port. So we'll be riding a small boat going to the main attraction in Puerto Princesa, none other than the underground river. Okay? So it's a natural World Heritage Site. So protected siya. So this is one of the 7 wonders of the world. So very exciting yung video na to. Make sure to watch till the end. And for those people na subscribe and like the Pandemic Hobbies TV. Lagi sinasabi nila Joe, enjoy life, start a hobby, be a hobby. Okay, please watch the video, like, share, and subscribe to Pandemic Hobbies TV.
Subscribe, share, and like to your friends.
Good morning mga kabis, dito na si Daddy Joe. Okay, may adventure tayo ngayon. Dito tayo sa Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Okay, so dito tayo magstay sa Inn.
Alright mga kabis, let me give you a tour of our modest accommodations dito sa Diopop's Inn. Okay, so ito yung main entrance nila, and we're going to their main lobby. Okay, so very modest lang accommodations because since one night lang naman kami magsistay dito. Okay, so hindi naman kailangan lavish yung accommodations. As long as it's clean, saka maayos naman ng lugar. Okay, so ito yung courtyard area nila. So that's where we'll be taking our breakfast. Okay, so ito may pool area rin sila. So complete naman ang area, and very very well maintained. So the pool is very clean, although wala na kaming time para mag-swimming. So just had to rest and then have breakfast, then head off on our Puerto Princesa adventure for today. Okay? So ito yung pool area nila.
Ayun, good morning mga kabis. Dito tayo sa Jacobs sa Puerto Princesa. Sa mga gabi din. Doon kami natulog. Yung breakfast area. Kaya breakfast. Ayun, breakfast. Ako is stop na po sa Buenavista Viewdeck. Yeah, see. Tapos
Alright mga kabis, dito tayo sa Buenavista Viewdeck. So ito makita natin dito, they have a souvenir shop. Okay, so dyan mga bags, accessories, and mga sunglasses. May mga clothes din silang binibenta dito. Okay, so ang maganda dito sa Buenavista Viewdeck, so it's a stopover. So we're going to the underground river. So stopover muna siya. It's a 2-hour trip going to underground river. So ito, around an hour or so. Dito muna, stop over muna, of course. Enjoy the view. So you can see there, that's the Philippine South China Sea. Alright, so very beautiful dito mga kabis. Enjoy talaga kayo dito. Really nice area. Okay. So enjoy the view dear, and it's all nature. Syempre sa Palawan, you have to enjoy nature. So ito, let's keep walking. And dito naman tayo sa area niya. Yan, mga binibenta mga some souvenirs again, and some things. Yeah, so our family took its time bought some souvenirs, giveaways. Yeah, so notice niyo dito sa Palawan, maraming mabibili, but a little bit pricey. Pero syempre tourist spot siya, so it's understandable.
Dito ka na. Dito na lang. Dito. Ayun o, may banana cake na anak.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
Alright mga kabis, lakad pa tayo dito sa Viewdeck. So as we go around, we can see a lot of tourists, Europeans, I saw Frenchman pa nga daw. This guy is from France. So a lot of tourists here. They are getting their coffee and local banana cue or banana. These are tourist guys. So it's a nice way to wind, stretch our legs for the long band ride and buy some few things and enjoy the nature. Yeah. Okay. Very nice stuff we had here at Buenavista Viewdeck. A few more video of nature dito. Ayan, there's a giant langka tree here. So many fruits on it. There's mga flowers, mga trees, and this is the view going to the port area from down the Condo River. So there's a white beach here. So gata kami time para bumaba. Please watch the translated videos. So dapat tayo a few more episodes of our Palawan trip. Okay. So, for those people na subscribe, please subscribe, share, like HOBBIES TV. Enjoy life, start a hobby, be happy. Please watch the video.